So I need to prove first subdivision, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. First I will take the LHS. What is LHS here? Cot theta plus tan theta is the LHS. How the cot theta we can write? This cot theta we can write as cos theta by sin theta. I have told now only. Cot theta we can write cos by sin plus. What is the tan theta we can write? Tan we can write as sin theta by cos theta. Now cross multiply. Cos into cos, cos square theta. Sin into sin, sin square theta. I need to multiply sin into cos down. Sin theta into cos theta. We know in the first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. This we can write as 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by sin theta? Nothing but cosecant theta. What is 1 by cos theta? Nothing but secant theta. This only we need to prove. Cosecant theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, secant theta. RHS hence proved. Next, we'll move towards the second subdivision. Second subdivision to prove tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. First, LHS. In LHS, what is common here? Tan power LHS, tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. Right, LHS first. What is common here? Here tan power 4 theta, here tan square theta. So tan square theta is common. If tan square theta moved outside, this tan square theta is present inside. If tan square theta is moved outside, the remaining is 1. But I want to get in secant power 4 theta. We know the formula. What is the formula? We know secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. If minus tan square move this side, becomes secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So write tan square theta as it is. What is tan square theta plus 1? Tan square theta plus 1 is nothing but secant square theta. Okay, but I need to get answer in secant only. Still tan is present. So I need to write tan square theta. So write the same formula. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. What I need? Tan square theta. Let minus tan square move this side, become plus. So secant square theta plus 1 come this side, minus 1. Minus tan square they become plus tan square theta. For tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta minus 1. In place of tan square theta, apply secant square theta minus 1. Here already secant square theta is present. So multiply secant square into secant square, secant power 4 theta. 1 into secant square theta is secant square theta is nothing but RHS. This only we need to prove. Hence proved. Next second sum for subdivision to prove 1 minus tan square theta divided by cot square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Take LHS. After taking LHS, 1 minus. What is tan square? Tan I can write sin by cos. Tan square I can write sin square theta by cos square theta divided by. What is cot? Cos by sin. Cot square I can write as cos square theta by sin square theta minus 1. Now cross multiply. Cos 1 into cos square theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. This I need to write by cos square theta whole divided by cos square theta minus cross multiply sin square theta divided by sin square theta. Cos square sin square, cos square minus sin square gets cancelled. This sin square will move upward. So what it become? Sin square theta. Cos square remains down. Cos square theta. Sin square by cos square we can write as tan square is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next is second subdivision. Second subdivision is to prove cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta, LHS. What is LHS here? Cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. It is very difficult to prove. So what I am going to do, see here, cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. I am going to make a conjugate. In 9th standard, we were studying real numbers. What is my conjugate? conjugate 1 plus sine, I am going to write as 1 minus sine divided by 1 minus sine. That's all. Simple. If 1 plus sine is present, I need to put 1 minus sine, 1 minus sine. So multiply cos theta into 1 is nothing but cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. Leave as it is. This is 1 plus sine. This is a plus b, a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. A is 1 square minus b is sine theta. So put sine square theta. So next, cos theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by, what is 1 minus sine square theta? 1 square is 1. 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta. We know the formula. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If cos square theta lies here, sine square moves here, 1 minus sine square theta. Therefore, cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 cos and 1 cos will be cancelled. 1 minus sine theta divided by cos theta. This cos write as 1 divided by cos theta, 1 divided by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. What is 1 by cos theta? Secant theta. What is sine theta by cos theta? Tan theta. This one we need to prove. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to RHS. Hence proved.